up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! How's it going? I've got a good video today because I just wanted to say, you know, when somebody tells me thank you, I guess I'm just the kind of guy to say thank you back. And we've got a card in the mail and it says thank you. We're going to talk about a product and tell you about why. But Victor sent me a little thank you card. Chad, thank you for all your support. I'm very thankful for you. Blessings, Victor. I just wanted to share this with you guys because, I don't know, it seems like I do a lot behind the scenes that you guys don't know about, and it's not really easy to talk about, but I always am doing something else. YouTube is it's almost a third thing for me, but when I met Victor, I said he had a great product, and I kind of tried to do everything I could to help him along, and I think he's going on his way, and he's definitely on his way to being forever solidified in the tool world as making a product that will definitely be recognizable, and I'm super happy to be affiliated with that. As far as I'm not making money off of it, but I'm super happy that I helped kind of jumpstart that a little bit, be a part of that process. And to be gracious to him, he sent me a few things, and these are going out to some other people, but he sent me more of the 310 funnel holders, and a lot of you guys don't know what these are. You've been living under a rock, because these are the best tools ever. And there's going to be a couple guys out there that are going to be salty about this, because unfortunately, maybe they're just not understanding why, but let me get this set up here. Well, I'm going to show you a little bit why I think these are the best, and I'm talking about them. Show you my shop, what I use. These are my go-to, and the more I've used these things, the more I've come in love with them, and they're cheap, effective, one piece, funnel of your choice is definitely. But let's show you what I got behind me and talk about it. Shot of the 310 tools in the wild, and I'll show you here. No, I won't. Maybe I can show you down in the hole. Yeah, you see fluid down there in the bottom, because that's where this funnel lives, right here. But the one thing about it is, like I said, the funnel is all self-contained, one piece, and I can grab this whole thing off here and take it and move it to wherever I want. And there's where she sets. So, yeah, this is why I like the 310 funnel better. And, man, that magnet is stupid stout. But you can see I grab these off here all the time. And it's just an amazing tool. That's all there is to it. I think when you talk about tools that have been redesigned, rebuilt, and sometimes a tool can be made better, this is it right here. Plus, again, I'm going to put it there. Victor's a great guy. He made a great tool. And I think this is a better design than any other one out there for a funnel holder. Quite frankly, it's just bulletproof, in my opinion. So, alright, so this is the Whiteside Creeper. Disregard the Matco. This is made by Whiteside, and this is called the FNLBDY. And I brought this inside because, quite frankly, I just wanted to bring it in. But there's a patent number, and you can see it's a metal piece. Obviously, I use this. It's got fluid in the bottom. It's got a little jug here. If you'll notice, it's got some fluid down here, and try to get you some. It's got fluid down there. It's kind of messy, but not terrible, you know. And it does its job. Obviously, it picks up fluid and whatnot. But, however, this is the 310 FNLBDY. Let me throw this down here. See if I can get this right next to there. So this is the 310 FNLBDY, and what it does is basically the same thing. Made in the USA, not completely made in the USA, but look at this fella. One thing, and not only that, you grab the whole thing and you can take it with you. It's more portable. The reason why I like it is because I can move this around where I don't have to take my funnel. Usually when I'm working on a car, I can grab this whole thing, one quick movement, and stick it to my tool cart or wherever I'm closer to my work, to where I'm working at. And then the funnel is less likely to drip all over the place. And that's why I like this. This one has some moving parts. It's a great unit, don't get me wrong. And this thing, the problem is right here, you're seeing this? I put magnets on the back of this. Glued magnets on the back of it, but they're not that strong. And you're supposed to screw this into it, fixate it somewhere, and it's stationary, and then you got to go across the shop. Whereas this one, pluck it off. These magnets are absolutely crazy fantastic. I keep this in the house just because people ask me about it, and I always talk about it. And I've got two in the shop, but you know, this is just kind of one I talk about. But the clear is definitely probably my favorite because it's just easier to see. But everybody loves the flashy colors and whatnot. But this is definitely just a product that's been updated. It's, you know, there's not every product will always stay the best, and I honestly think because it has less parts to it, and like I said, it's easier to take and grab off here, it kind of beats this. This thing is like 45 bucks. These things are like 30 bucks. They're also a little bit cheaper. But the magnets, man, I can't show you guys, but I can promise you these magnets on this are just absolutely phenomenal. Look at the ribbing. It's down in there for strength. It gives it, these are definitely over-engineered, I will tell you that. There's no doubt about it. But you're going to see more of these in the future because they're going to be a big deal. But I've talked about them. I showed them. You know, I can't really say, you know, it's not a really technical product, but it's one of those things that if you have this thing right here and you, like me, you have to mount it somewhere. That's the one thing I hate about it. You have to mount it one place, then you got to drag your funnel across the shop. I kind of like this. You can stick this to the hoist, move it. You know, it isn't fixated to one place, and that's why this is obsolete, because this is old school technology. This is new school, and not everything old school is always bad. But in this case, this is a tool that trumps the old school one. This works fine, but the stationary part, and a lot of guys might say, well, I don't care, I have it in my shop. But you can bend these. I've seen guys break these off. It's parts that break on them, that you can buy these parts, but you can clearly see that it's got some leaking issues just from spillage and whatnot. I don't know if the gasket gets swelled up in there or something like that. Obviously, I've been using this one for a long time, but I brought it in to show you guys. But just wanted to talk about that and tell you my thoughts of why I like the 310 tool and why it's definitely better. So, 3 pieces. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys, too, one more thing before I let you go. This does have, these are cap covers. If you're worried about it scratching your surface, they do have cap covers for these things. So that's the other thing, too. Pretty much, like I said, bulletproof, and 3 different colors: orange, green, yellow. I don't know how long the green and the orange will be in effect. I think you're going to see this color be the one that kind of is going to be the one that goes all the way, I guess, so to speak. Oh, wow. Got a scratch on this fellow here. But, yeah, anyways. Magnetic, simple. You can even see right here, puts it on your cart. There's a QR code. If you take a picture of that right there, you can get right to the website. That's the cool thing about it. Just take your screenshot of that, and then it'll read it for you. Made in the USA. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.